Hello and welcome here. My name is El and I'm alright. Thank you so much for choosing to click on this. Yes. Okay, today I want to answer the question, how long does divorce last? And how long does divorce last in Nigeria? Well, the answer is not straightforward because many things contribute to how long the divorce lasts. First of all, we want to look at what is the nature of the divorce. Remember that this is not a legal advice, so it is still proper. You consult a lawyer, you speak with your lawyer, and remember that in at the oral expression, we also have lawyers that could attend to you, right? So this is not a legal advice, but this is what it really is. We cannot just say how long your divorce will last because many things determine it. Number one is that will it be contentious, right? Will your partner, will your spouse be fighting back? Will your spouse be kicking back? Will your spouse be fighting for one thing or the other, right? That means it includes, are there properties in issue? Are there properties that you guys will be dragging, you guys will be disputing over? Are there kids that you guys may be fighting custody over or concerned about welfare of the kids, or when it comes to support and all of that, right? The welfare of the kids, financial support, and the rest. Will you, the spouse, for example, be fighting for alimony as we have in some jurisdictions? Would you be asking for maintenance, right? Would you be asking for maintenance? These are some of the things coming from you and coming from your marriage that will determine how long the marriage will last. The more contentious the divorce is, the more contentious, the longer it is most likely going to last in court. Not just that, another very big and major factor depends on how busy the court is where the divorce is filed. This is the most important one. We have this complaint in Nigeria that our judges are our judges, they just have just their plate is running over, their cup is running over, their plate is just too full, right? Their chef, their chef, their study, their office, they have too many cases. Like, we are having judges that have more than 500 cases. Like, man, you enter a judge court and you see almost about 50 cases on the judge court list. Obviously, he does not have all the time to give to your matter. He may just want to give every case just about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or maximum 15 minutes, so that he does not wear out, he does not burn out, he does not die on the job, and most especially so that he'll be able to attend to as many cases as he can attend to, right? So imagine your case is filed in a court where the judge has maybe about 500 cases to attend to. How fast do you think he will attend to your case? I remember there was a time we were telling people that in my particular jurisdiction that it could actually be difficult for you to have more than 3 adjournments in a year. Like, in a year, you may not have more than 3 adjournments because of how loaded, how clogged, how full that particular court is with different cases to attend to, right? So this is why we usually want to, when filing for divorce, for people want to go and think about places where we know that the courts do not have many case files, do not have many cases they are attending to. But this is the challenge about it, is that your spouse can kick against it and say, oh, that place is too far, you reside in this place, I reside in this place, why are you taking this divorce to such a far place? I do not have the financial capacity to pay a lawyer to do my divorce for me, to do this case for me in such a far jurisdiction. And because of the security reasons, because of the risk of the road, the flight ticket amount, I cannot be traveling to this long distance every time for divorce. So there are many things that could actually cause it, and that's just it. But then, if you're doing divorce in Nigeria and it's a statutory divorce, so you are doing it in a high court, where it could last maybe the minimum of 8 months. Let's just say the minimum of 8 months. Some last more than a year, some last almost about 2 years thereabout. There are just many factors in it. You are a factor, your spouse is a factor, then most especially the biggest of it all is also the court is a factor. Remember that once you have property or you have children, that you guys are going to be having disputes over, going to be having some fights over, is also going to contribute to how long your divorce will last. So this is it. There is no fast way. We have seen people contact us. We have seen people talk to other lawyers and say, they want to get their divorce in 3 months. It's not magic. It does not happen. Some want to get it in a month. Maybe because they have found somebody else they want to marry and the marriage date has already been fixed. Or not just that, for some of them, they want to travel or they want to do something, and this marriage is a problem to them. It's an obstruction to that particular thing that they want to achieve. So they just want to quickly end it. In Nigeria, for now, as at the time of making this video, you cannot get it that easily. If people are getting it for you, it's most likely going to be fraud. Yes, many times you have come to discover that those divorce papers were fake and the rest. So if you want to divorce, I'll say just plan the minimum of 6 months. 6 months. Unless it's a customary marriage. So you are doing it in a customary court. Even at that, I don't think in all my years as a lawyer we have been able to get divorce in less than 6 months. In less than 6 months. I cannot remember right now. I cannot remember like that. It's not so easy. Maybe only one that the spouse was not. Yes, I remember one. It was the same day the matter came up, right? The spouse filed a response that he was not contending the divorce. He was also okay with the divorce, and whatsoever the woman was wanting that the court should grant it. So that particular day, we just took the woman's evidence, and we took the evidence, and the court fixed a date for the judgment on the divorce. So that was less than 6 months. It actually came up just 2 times. The divorce came up only 2 times in court. There are just many things. So for the best way for us to know how your divorce will last is for you to contact a lawyer, consult a lawyer, and let that lawyer review the case and review everything that is on ground and be able to advise you accordingly as to how long it will last. There's no fixed time. There's no fixed time per se. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Ellen. I'm alright. Remember that you can contact us at the Alright Spa Shop for everything that has to do with sex, relationship, marriage, family, mental health, and of course legal services, because we also have lawyers in our office who can attend to you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Remember to subscribe and share this video. And if you send us a WhatsApp message or you drop a comment, we'll be the one that will attend to you directly. I will be the one that will attend to you directly. You rock.